Hi guys, this is Sandeep. So today I want to show you how to get a ringtone of an app. So if you like a Snapchat, if you want to get Snapchat ringtone, you may find it in internet. But if you can't find internet, or if you want to get ringtone of any notification ringtone of any other Android app, so here is one thing you can do easily, and you can get the MP3 of that file. So first of all, go to an APK extractor. So extract the app which you need to get your notification ringtone. Let me take an app. So here is an app, for example. Let me keep this. Sorry, here is a solo app. So I need to get the APK update. So I am saving the APK. So here you can see the APK file of solo run. Now you need to decompress that. So here is an option for decompress. You can find this decompress option in any file manager. So I decompressed it. So actually I already decompressed it. So I will go and find the notification ringtone. So here I'm going and checking each and everything. So here you can find in sounds folder. So here I can get every mp3 notification. So here you can see notification. Let me open this. Oh, something happened. See, you can hear the notification ringtone. So in this way you can easily extract the notification of any app by using by by compressing and decompressing the APK. Let me try with the Outlook. So I need to have the APK of Outlook. So again I will extract the apps. Okay, let me go to Outlook and extract the APK. Okay, extracting APK and see. Okay, now it's see, we have Outlook. Now I need to decompress. It's in progress. I need to wait. Come on, speed. Yes. And you know that all audio ringtones are of different format. For example, MP3 format, or even some other formats. And if you find any Android directory, you can find the notification ringtones of type having format .ogg. So yeah, all the audio formats you have to find out from the directory, and you can move it or copy it, or you can mm, use that. So let me see the directory and let me find the notification ringtone of this Outlook APK. It's still in progress. By the way, I am using an app file expert, and which makes me to open every window and easily copy and paste. So even you can try with your normal Android file manager. It even to has compress and decompress options, so you can easily get through it, and it's all okay. It's in progress. Uh-huh. 54%. It's okay to be fast. It's It's taking time. Just be patient. 58. Now you can see that I have already made the directory. So let me open this. So you can find many folders in this, so but you can't find the sounds folder, which consists of mp3 notification. So now here is one thing you can do. You just need to scan using any music player. Let me open this music player and let me scan this folder. So if I okay, so if you go to the simulated, you can see here. So here is apk. You can find this outlook, and here you can see the three tracks of calendar and new mail. So here is the thing. So here is the default address at which these notification ringtones are saved. So if you want to go for manually, then follow that path and get the notification ringtone. Just copy or paste it and use it for yourself. So thank you for bearing this video. Okay, just hit like and subscribe. Thanks.